Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. So I wanted to talk about some of the stocks that I'm going to be watching for next week. Um, there's been a lot of stocks that have been, making moves. So I think it's important that we talk about what's going to be happening next week. What do you guys think? Anybody have any picks on their mind? Anything that they think is going to do well next week? Because I got my eyes on quite a few picks. And hey, how you doing, Cindy? How you doing, Infinite? How you doing, Fairy Boars? Aloha. So I got my eyes on a bunch of stocks, and I've been watching a bunch of stocks, and there's been a bunch of developments that have been happening with a bunch of stocks. And it's starting to become very obvious to me that there's a lot of momentum in the market, despite the fact that we're in a COVID-19 pandemic. So as an investor, it's a really, really risky time to invest. However, it's also been one of the best times to invest. So as an investor, it's very hard not to be in the market right now. So you have to be very careful not to get sucked into it, because if it does crash, it could be catastrophic. When I think about some of the picks that I've brought, and I go to richtvlive.com and I actually look at the picks, and I look at the amount that some of the stocks have jumped, it is a little bit alarming, because you have to be concerned that what goes up will come down at some point. So it's something that we all have to consider. It's something we all have to think about. You know, so many picks have gone up so much. Like, look at AMD. I mean, AMD has been phenomenal. One of my picks that I brought to you in January at $48, and now it's $69. Look at companies like Tesla that have just been unstoppable. Companies like Shopify that have been unstoppable. Companies like Sona, which I brought to you guys at 94 cents, that hit $14 this week. That's right. Sona hit $14 this week. So when you're looking at the market and you're trying to identify momentum, what you're trying to do is you're trying to find the top picks. And you're trying to find the top picks that could not just explode, but hopefully continue to explode. And what we have found is that the coronavirus has been really bad for some companies, but has been really good for others. Would you guys agree? That has been really bad for some companies and really good for others. It's not like it's been bad for everybody. It's been really good for some, really bad for others. So the markets are always like that. And the world is always like that. And even in a coronavirus pandemic, some companies have found a way to come out on top. Companies like Domino's Pizza are reporting record sales. Companies like Amazon are exploding. Companies like Shopify, because businesses are needing to learn how to work from home. People are learning how to work from home. Sona was at 1 cent. Yes. Sona went from 1 cent to $14. Yeah, Greenbrier and Power specifically. Greenbrier's already made a big run, and they're coming back down a little bit, but they've made already a huge run from 50 cents up to over $4. Power is the one that's now really making a move, and that's the one that I think we need to really watch. RIINF, I believe, in America. So yeah, I like Power a lot, and it's done extremely well for our community. I mean, I got in at Power at 25 cents, and it went from 25 cents to 60 cents. It's been as high as 75 cents actually since I bring you guys that pick. But there's some other picks that I think everyone needs to be looking at right now? Is there any other picks that you guys are looking at that you guys think that we should be looking at? Because I got some picks for you guys, and I want to know what you guys thought. If you guys had any picks. Nice helicopter. I was wondering if you guys had any picks that you think that we should be looking at. Because I know I got some picks that I think we should be looking at, but do you guys have any picks that you think we should be looking at? So, in addition to companies like Power and Greenbrier, which I brought to you guys, that have gone up dramatically, a lot of our picks have gone up dramatically. So, we can keep rehashing some of our picks, but then we can also talk about some new picks. So, I've been trying to identify some new picks. Infinite says Jet all day. Fairy Boars says Mist. Okay. Thank you guys for your picks. What do you guys think about THRM? What do you think about THRM? You guys see the move on THRM? They've made a pretty amazing move. THRM has made a really big move. Another one that I think everyone should be watching is NTZ. Natuzi made a huge move on Friday, up 54%. It is down 4% after market, but huge move on Friday. ADNX, one to watch. ADXN, Addicts Therapeutics, monster move, up 34% for ADXN, Addicts Therapeutics. So I've been identifying some companies that I think are going to make moves, and I really like momentum. I personally love momentum. I love momentum. I love momentum plays. One of the companies that has ridiculous momentum is AMD. AMD just keeps going up. AMD went up 16% on Friday. That's right. 16% for AMD on Friday. Up now to $69. Unbelievable for AMD. Unbelievable move for AMD. They are, I believe, at an all-time high. So, wow. AMD, just so everybody knows, in 2015 was at $1. It's now at $69. So congratulations to everyone who has taken advantage of this move on AMD. It has been an absolute screamer. AMD. Unbelievable. And I did bring that pick at $48 in January. And there's so many good companies out there. So what we need to do is we need to identify the best. And if you see profits, you need to lock in your profits. The key is to lock into profits, build your vault, build your treasury, utilize the market to give you gains, and then use those gains, pull them out of the market, and then build your vault and build your treasury. Use a portion of your treasury to build you your treasury. Don't put all your eggs in one basket and put all your money to work. You're going to need bullets so that when the next big pick comes, you will be ready. And you need to always be ready for the next big pick because the market is moving with momentum. And when the market's moving with momentum, what we're trying to identify are the companies that are going to continue in that momentum. One that's really got momentum is ASNA. Put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. 119% move here, guys. So keep your eye on ASNA. And then after market, some of the stocks that are really making moves after market, WHLM, Wilhelmina, up 122%. That's right, at $8.30. SNSS, Sunesis Pharma, up 41% after market. So these are some of the companies that we are watching very closely that after market are already making moves. Okay, guys. And then SCON, Supercon Tech, up 9%. So those are a couple more that I'm looking at. Block Play, DCOP, and AEZS. Thank you for sharing your picks. I'm really interested about this THRM. Been doing some research on this THRM. This stock has gone from, it's called Gen X in Canada. It was up 110% on Friday. Unbelievable move for them on Friday. And the stock has gone from half a penny to 30 cents in very short order. What does anyone think about this, if anything? THRM, Gen X. Gen X, THRM. Gen X. What's the US symbol of Gen X? Anybody know? We know it's THRM in Canada. Thermabright Inc. Thermabright Inc. Thermabright Inc. Oh, wow. Yeah. So bar chart has them as 100% buy, top 1% signal strength, up 110% on Friday on 46 million shares in volume. Now, I'm not telling you guys to buy this stock. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. It is up 221% in the last 5 days. So it is ridiculous as far as momentum, a 100% buy, and tops in the 1% of all signal strength short-term directions. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of this trend. This is Thermabright Inc. THRM is the single in Canada, and it has been on a tear, up 6,000% since April 8th. That's right, 6,000% since April 8th, 2,950% in the last 3 years, 1,425% in the last month. The symbol in America is THMBF, I believe. THRBF. Here we go. THRBF. Let's take a look. See the volume in America. Thermabright, THRBF up 500%. Oh my goodness. It was up 500% in America on 518,000 shares. What? It went up 500% in America, folks. Thermabright, THRBF, went up 500% in America on Friday. So I had to bring it to your guys' attention. This thing is absolutely ridiculous, and it's on a tear. It's on a tear. It's on absolute tear. So it's 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Thermabright is a progressive medical device technology company focused on providing consumers and medical professionals with quality medical devices that address their medical and healthcare needs. The company's initial breakthrough proprietary technology delivers effective, non-invasive, and pain-free skincare. Thermabright received a Class 2 medical device status from the FDA for its platform technology that is indicated for the relief of the pain, itch, and inflammation of a variety of insect bites or stings. The company received clearance for the above claims from the US FDA in 1997. Thermobright trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol THRM. That was their news. THRBF. Let's take a look. Let's go to OTC Markets. THRBF. Let's see how many shares they have, and we're going to do some research on these guys right now. That's how I like to do it. You know what I mean? Like, let's just find out why this thing's going up 6,000%. It's pretty good. You know, it just went up 60 times. 60 times your money. It's on the pink sheets in America. It just went up 500% in America. If the stock goes up 500% in America, we need to be talking about it. That's for damn sure. Why? Why is it going up like this? Let's see. Let's see the share structure. Security details. Look at it. Let's look at it. What? No share structure? Okay. Well, let me look somewhere else then. Let me look somewhere else. You would assume they would have their share structure somewhere, right? They don't have them on OTC Markets listed. So we're going to look in Canada, THRM, Thermobright. See if they got their share structure listed here. On TMX Money is where I'm looking, in case you were wondering. THRM, Thermobright Inc. So Thermobright Inc. has 163 million shares issued outstanding, which is actually not that bad for a sub-penny stock. Obviously, that's why the stocks run up. It did hit a high of 37.5 cents. And whew, yeah, big move up. Has a $51 million market cap right now. So is settling around 30 cents and was up 110% on Friday. So if a company goes up 110% in Canada and 500% in America, we need to be talking about it, right? So that's why we're talking about it. That's what's on my mind. I was thinking about them and I thought, you know, I might as well go to the people and see what you guys think. Like, do you guys like it? AUN is fully financed now and news broke out. Thank you, Green Bull. Hey, thank you, AHR, for the symbol THRBF. You gave it to me. I'm not saying you should buy it. I'm just saying, what do you guys think? Yeah, AHR says might pull back. I mean, yeah, obviously anything that goes up 6,000%. But if something goes up 6,000%, we need to talk about it because, like, look at Sona. You know, Sona just kept going higher, right? And I sold it too soon. So, you know, sometimes we need to ride momentum and we need to identify momentum and talk about it as a community. And if there's a stock that's moving, you know, I want to talk about it. You know, I have another stock. It's a secret stock. If you guys want access to my pick, email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. I have another pick. It's a COVID-19 stock. COVID-19 stocks have been just out of this world. And I got this pick from Kyokushin Trader. Thank you, Kyokushin Trader. It looks really good. I think it has a chance to explode. It is listed in actually France, and it's listed in America. So Americans and Canadians and international investors can buy it. I'm very excited about this pick. I think this pick is going to be a very, very spectacular pick for our community. And my modus operandi is to find winning picks. And if you see our winning record on Rich TV Live and you go to Rich's Picks, you'll see we're winning about 96% of our trades. And I'm a momentum trader. It took me years to figure out what type of trader I was, but I'm really a momentum trader and I'm a long-term investor. Really, I'm a value investor. And I like to identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed companies, whether they're penny stocks or big board stocks. I also trade Forex and trade gold and Bitcoin. And I'm just evolving as an investor and as a trader. And I invest in real estate. Um, what I'm looking for are people that want to be my partner, people that want to partner with me, people that want to partner with me in this journey. We're really evolving, we're growing, we're building fast, and we're setting goals and we're attacking goals. And members are starting to make money trading, and members are starting to make money building. And I appreciate the building part of the business because I think residual income is more valuable than earned income. Because earned income is money that I have to physically go and I have to stare at the screen. I have to do the research to find the picks to go make money. Residual income, by building your trading academy, building my trading academy, is earning me residual income, which is bringing me money regardless of what I do every day. So I think eventually that can grow to something that can be very spectacular and could give me true freedom, which allows me to go and do what I want and just, answer the phone and do some meetings and talk to some people every day and essentially have the freedom that I want as I get older. That's what I want to do for my life. That's what I believe is true freedom. Staring at a screen, doing research, looking for picks, buying and selling stocks every day, or doing Forex every day. I love it. I do it every day as well. But eventually, for me, that is not my idea of freedom. That is a skill. But freedom to me is the ability to actually have a residual income by growing the academy, by growing the business, and by finding people that want to grow a academy and growing their own business and being an entrepreneur and building a business. Trading is something that we're always going to have good traders. And some traders are going to come and be spectacular. And some traders are going to struggle. There's always going to be traders, right? I want to develop builders because we're always going to have traders, but I want to develop leaders. I want to partner with leaders. I want to look for people that want to build a business, grow a business, right? And the beautiful thing about Rich TV Live is I believe we are the real life apprentice. In my opinion, we are the real life apprentice because what you see here is an evolution of a man that's grown now into an academy and created a community. And that community has so many winning picks that people are now making money. Lots of people all over the world. And this community will continue to grow and it will continue to evolve. And hopefully we'll continue to make more money. And some of you will come over to this side and you'll email me and say, Rich, I want your next pick. Send me an email, guys, richtvlive@gmail.com, and I'll give you my next pick. Because I'm looking for partners. I'm not just looking for people that want access to my picks. You know what I mean? Because that's cool. You know what I mean? Like we can give picks all day and we can talk picks and we can share picks. But I want to build something bigger. And I feel like if there's people in this world that are looking for opportunity, well, I have it. And if you're looking for freedom and you're looking to make money, well, I'm making money. And if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, if you want to learn how to make money trading, if you want to learn how to build a business and grow a trading academy and build your own trading academy, all you need to do is email me, richtvlive@gmail.com, and I'll show you and I'll teach you how I've done that, and how we have other members that have done that. And some have had so much success. It's unbelievable. You wouldn't even believe it. You wouldn't believe it if I told you. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for more partners. I'm looking for people that want to grow with me and want to say, hey, Rich, I got a pick. Great. What's your pick? Hey, guys, Johnny has a new pick today. Tom has a new pick today. Right? And if you're building your business, I'm happy for you. That's what you should be doing. AHR12 says, caution about Thermobright. It went up because they announced they have the intention to start developing a rapid COVID test. They don't have anything yet, just the intention to do it. Yeah, and isn't it crazy how just a press release about an intention to have a COVID test can make a stock move up 6,000%. And when a stock goes up 6,000%, you know our community is going to talk about it. So I believe we are a millionaires in training academy. I'm looking for people that wants to learn how to become a millionaire. And if you want to learn how to become a millionaire, and if you want to learn how to become a trader, and if you want to learn how to become a builder, and if you want to learn how to build equity in yourself, then all you need to do is email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. And if a stock is going to move 6,000%, believe me, our community and our academy will be all over it. And some of the members here that are on YouTube, that are part of our YouTube Academy and YouTube membership, you're getting access to picks first too. And that's just the way it's going to be. And it's going to continue to be that. We're just going to continue to evolve, and we're going to continue to grow, and we're going to continue to get better. And the markets are risky. And remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about on our show. But if a stock is going to go up 6,000%, we need to talk about it. What's happening with Xena? Xena is, a massive disappointment. Xena stole everybody's money. So, when people ask me about Xena, it's like, I have over 80,000 shares of Xena. Hopefully Xena does something. Either they will or they won't. But, I move on regardless. As an investor, as a trader, you move on regardless. You find ways to make profits elsewhere while you wait for other investments to mature. Hopefully they do. But when you invest in stocks, you know that there's always the risk that something's going to go wrong. In the cannabis sector, 95% of the stocks have failed. That's a reality. Now, is there a chance that it could come back? Absolutely. But some of the stocks will not come back. Many of the stocks will not come back. That's a reality. Many of the stocks that we thought were going, and that I thought, I admit, were going to be a success, will turn into a massive failure. And a lot of the investment dollars that we invested in the cannabis sector are now gone forever. So hopefully some of these companies come back and our money is not gone. But if it does disappear, I've already moved on. And I've already identified that that money may never, ever, ever come back. And I've already started selling off some of my cannabis stocks and then investing in stocks like gold and silver, because gold and silver is hot right now. Electric vehicles, COVID-19 stocks going up thousands of percent. Brought you guys Sona at 94 cents. It would hit $14 this week. I brought you guys OPK last weekend, and this week it hit $6. You never invest in anything above $6. Yeah, I mean, everybody has their own strategy. If that's working for you, how's that working for you? So you're never investing in Amazon. You're never investing in Google. You're never investing in Facebook. You're never investing in Twitter. You're never investing in Snapchat. These are all stocks that have gone up like crazy. You're never investing in Visa, MasterCard, American Express. You're never investing in any of the best companies in the world. You're investing in all small cap and penny stock. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. There's a lot of people that do that. I do that. But I do invest in big board stocks too. And I think that the more our community starts investing in big board stocks, and the more we have big board stock investors in our community and in our communities, the more generational wealth we're going to create as an investor. AMD has been a giant. AMD has been an absolute giant. Love what AMD's done. What do I think about Afria's earnings coming this week, July 29th? I just been disappointed with a lot in the cannabis sector. Yeah, small caps do give you massive profits, but you can also take massive losses. And the big boards have been screaming. like AMD, Tesla, Amazon, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. They've all just been amazing. They've all been winning. And Apple, you'd be silly and foolish not to be investing in the best, biggest companies in the world. So if you're not investing in anything over $6, that means you're not investing in any of the best companies in the world. But I don't have anything against investing in small cap companies. You can make a fortune investing in the right small cap companies. You can. Absolutely. You can make a fortune investing in penny stocks too. And that's what we talk about and we teach and we focus on within our academy. Hey, how you doing, Brent? How's your weekend going, brother? Neo, please. Very's earnings is coming soon. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm well positioned with Very. I'm a big fan of plant-based foods. I'm a big fan of technology. I'm a big fan of technology companies. This is a food technology company. They are ahead of the game. They're ahead of the curve, and I think it's going to do extremely well. But there's no guarantees in the markets, so you don't know. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yo, what are you doing, bro? I'm doing good, man. Bodog says JMIA might be worth taking a look. Hey, thank you for sharing your picks. Fairs says, I think Afria made around 190 million this earnings and the stock will jump 190 million. Wow. Well, if they make 190 million, I think the stock will jump. Absolutely. Because I do like them. I like them a lot, actually. But the cannabis sector just has no momentum. So it's very risky. And I think the entire market is very risky. So you should stay in cash and you should have a portion of cash and you should deploy some funds and you should try to ride momentum and take advantage of undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. That's what I do. That's how we trade within our trading academy, within our trading community. And if you'd like to be a part of that, I'd love to work with you. Email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. Email me, guys. And I have another pick that I think is a secret pick that could do extremely well. It's a COVID-19 play. And it's a play that everyone can get involved with. Just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. richtvlive@gmail.com. Hey, Mike. Mike says, check out ADEX Therapeutics, near IPO a month ago, biotech company, ADTX small float. I love the small float plays, bro. Thanks, man. ADTX. 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 $4 and it was at 404 after market. Hit $7, went down to 2, now back at 4. Interesting. ADTX, eh? ADTX. It looks pretty interesting. I'll definitely look into it. Yeah, NBev. I actually I talked about their news earlier this week. They had some huge news. Fair says, I am planning on getting out with some profits and buying more of TAT and explore other stocks. We should always be exploring as a community. We always need to be exploring. Infinite Possibility says, want to know a secret? Buy a stock when nobody wants it and sell when everybody wants it. It's true. You just got to make sure that that stock is not junk. Hey, Flora, how you doing? Been a long time. Fair says, no one want Nicola. Is it a buy? I was looking at that. A lot of people saying that that's maybe getting in a good time. So we'll see. That stock ran up. So what goes up a lot of time comes down, but if it's a good company and it continues to grow, it'll come right back up. What about Neo? I think Neo had a nice run. I think it was a great buy at $1. I don't know if I'd be buying it over $10, but that remains to be seen. If you want access to my new secret pick, guys, just email me richtvlive@gmail.com. I will let you know what my new secret pick is. And in addition to that, I'm looking for partners to join my trading academy. We are now over 130 members worldwide in 12 countries. We are going to continue to grow and evolve. We have many, many, many success stories that have already occurred within our academy. And we're looking for you to be the next success story. If you want to be the next success story, if you want to be the next millionaire trader, if you want to be the next six-figure trader, if you want to be the next residual earner, if you want to build a trading academy with me, and be on my front line and work with me, I want to give you that opportunity. And I'm looking. I've got 64 people that have joined me directly on my front line out of 130 people. That's the team, and that's the squad. And so I have 64 people that have already joined me, most of them from YouTube and Instagram, to be quite frank, and some from Facebook and some social media and some friends, family. But we're really evolving, we're really growing, and we're going to continue to. And I'm just excited about the future. I'm excited about our future. I'm excited about finding more winning picks. I'm excited about our strategy, how we win, and how effective it is, and just evolving as a trader, evolving as an academy, evolving as a person, and evolving as a channel. And I feel like we're the real life apprentice. And if you'd like to join me on my mission to become financially free and have the freedom to just do what I want when I want, and follow me on this journey with many other people, 130 who have already joined and joined this mission, some who've already had massive success, others that are on their way to massive success, then I would love to work with you and I'd love to help you join and grow. And everyone's $200 away from being potentially a massive success. That's the crazy part. $200 and 3 people. Everyone is $200 and 3 people away from having massive success and creating financial freedom. And if you can find 500 people that want to learn how to trade and get good at trading and become a trader and a builder of a trading academy where you can make money from your phone and from your laptop every single day and sit at the beach and do what I do and just go on YouTube and just make videos, which is the future, because we live in post COVID-19 world where it's a crazy world. So I'd rather just, sit at home and make money. Right. And if I could just sit at home and make money trading, and eventually when we can start traveling, if I can just travel and just make money from my phone and from my laptop the way I am right now, then I'm good. That's the way I want to live my life. And if you're the type of person that this is speaking to you, then come join me. Like, let's work together. Like, let's partner together. Like, let's work together. Right. And let's build something together. Because I'm building right now with lots of people. And I'm not going to mention names because there's too many names to mention. Right. Guys like Brent that are here right now. How you doing, Brent? Brent's been killing it, having a lot of success, and he's winning both as a trader and he's winning by building his academy. And he's starting to generate, as a Platinum 150, residual income within the academy. As he grows within the academy and he gets higher within the academy, he's going to generate more residual income. Green Bull says, I would hate to join just to get picks. I want to hit the ground running and build a business. I quit my job. However, if THMG goes to $1 US, I think I would fund my entry through that. I think THMG might go to $1 US. It's a very good chance it will. I got shares, so we'll see what happens. But I would love to have you in the academy. I'm looking for more people. I'm looking for more partners, and I'm looking for more traders that want to find winning picks. That's what we're doing. We work as a team, and we find winning picks every single day, and we profit. I think it's important to work as a team. And thank you guys for the likes. I appreciate you guys. And I think it's important as a team we continue to evolve and grow. Brent says, aren't you doing a promotion right now? Something about some type of crypto for people who join or something? Well, you know what? I like to do a lot of different types of promotions. But right now, I'm not really looking to throw any promotions. I'm looking for partners. I'm looking for partners. I don't want to just give away money to have people join something. I want people that want to invest in themselves. I want to look for someone that wants to be my partner, that wants to make millions of dollars. That's what I'm excited about, because there's a lot of people that want to partner with us on this journey, and I would love to work with you guys if you want to work with me. And the barrier to entry is $200, $200, and that's your barrier to entry. And I'm very blessed. Like within the academy now, I'm making $1,000 a week. And that's for growing the academy. By teaching people about the academy, I'm making $1,000 a week. I'm also making a lot more than that trading because of what I've learned within the academy. But I really, really am more excited about building the academy because I love helping watch people grow and build residual income. Because to me, residual income earned is more valuable than earned income. Because for earned income, I have to physically go trade. I have to physically go on Monday morning, every morning, 6:30 in the morning, and I got to trade. I got to trade. I got to go and I got to make money in the market. I'd rather, as I get older, as I'm getting closer to wanting to be more laid back and not be as aggressive and not be trading as much, I want to be able to just like buy my, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. You know what I mean? Buy my Apple, buy my Disney, buy my Netflix, buy my Google, buy my Amazon, and just chill and just talk to my team on the phone. And who's the next chairman? Who's the next chairwoman? Who's the next millionaire trader? What's the next pick? That's it. So that's my idea of freedom, And then we eventually are sitting on, a place where someone calls a buy on gold and we all buy gold. Someone says, buy this stock. We all buy the stock. Because as a community, we got so many great traders because we're a trading academy. It's a beautiful thing. Brent says it's well worth 200 people. You'll make that in 10 minutes from the picks, not to mention the strategies. It's insane. It is life-changing, and I don't know why more people are not doing this. Well, Brent, I'm glad that you trusted me, bro, and you joined, man. Thank you, brother. And I'm so happy you're having success, bro. Florida Oro says, when Rich says residual income, it gives me butterflies. Well, you know what? I'm happy. Thank you. Infinite Possibility says, what about the people who make nothing but still pay the $200 a month? Well, you know what? In every academy, you're going to have people that are going to have success, and you're going to have people that are learning and evolving. If they follow my picks, they should have success. That's a fact. Because if you go to Rich TV Live and you go to richtvlive.com and Rich's picks, you'll see that our picks are winning consistently. You'll see that our picks are winning consistently. And then we have traders like Antoine and Amanda that are going live and trading live and winning consistently. And our members are copy trading and winning consistently. And then there's other members that are evolving and growing and evolving and trading on their own and winning consistently. Are there members who are failing in your academy? I think there are members that are failing everywhere. There are people that are failing everywhere in life. So I think you're going to see that there's going to be success and there's going to be failure everywhere. But I think that failure is a word that you got to look at and you got to say, okay, am I having failure? Well, if I give you a pick and it goes up and you buy that stock and it goes up and you don't sell, and then it goes down and now you're holding. Now, was the pick a failure? No, the pick was a winner. But if you have bad execution, if you have poor execution, you need to work on your own trading strategies. You need to work on your own entries and your own exits. I can't buy and sell for you. I can give you a pick and it can go up and you might not sell and then it goes down and then you're holding the bag. Or I might give you a pick and it doesn't go up and then you sell when it's down. And then after you sell, it goes up. And then you say, oh, Rich's pick, I lost on Rich's pick. And then a week later, it goes up 1,000%. That happens all the time too. So I can't buy and sell for you. I can only show you the evidence of all my picks that are on YouTube and all over social media. So when you go on social media and you go to YouTube and you actually go to Rich TV Live and you look at all my picks, you can see all my picks are right there. Even all my cannabis stocks all went up before they came down. All of them. So I am a momentum trader, but sometimes I do identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed companies way early before anybody else on the planet. And that is a gift in itself. And that's something I'm learning how to hone myself. So as a trader, I'm starting to master the art of trading and getting in and out of trades myself. But I also had to understand, you know what? I got to use stop losses because if I use the stop loss with Suniva, if I use the stop loss with Cannabis, I wouldn't be down as much as I'm down on those stocks. And I learned that in my trading academy. I learned that in the trading academy. Hey, Jordan, what's up? I did talk about THRM. Absolutely, I did. It's one of the hottest stocks in the world right now. So you know I'm talking about the hottest stocks in the world. How you guys doing? So yeah, I just been talking about some of the stocks that I'm watching that I think have a lot of potential and a lot of upside. And I have a pick that I think could explode. It was given to me by Kyokushin Trader. Shout out to Kyokushin Trader. And I have a pick that I think is going to be massive. I think it's going to be absolutely massive. And Kyokushin brought it to me. And he's a mad scientist. He's a genius. Shout out to Kyokushin Trader, man. Mad respect, bro. And thank you to you guys because you guys here at the academy, you guys, the team here, the membership here, you guys feed me new picks all the time. So I'm constantly doing research and then I'm able to find some of these winners and bring it to the world. Thank you guys for doing that selfishly, selflessly. Brent says, honestly, I've been trading 6-7 years and I enjoy Forex 10 times more than I do trading, just personally preference, so lucrative. And if you follow the processes, you're golden. I agree. It's pretty engaging, but I love both. You know, I love the stock market and I love Forex. I love Bitcoin. I love gold. I love everything. I think the market's been really good, actually. Stock market's been strong. Stock market's been really, really strong. I think the market's been really, really strong. I think that cannabis stocks have been weak. And if you want access to my pick, you got to email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. I have a new pick that I'm going to be doing a video on, but anybody who emails me, I'll give you access to the pick first. Just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. And I am looking for partners that want to join me at the Trading Academy. And if you want to join me within the Trading Academy, I would love to work with you and partner with you and grow with you. And we've already partnered with many members, and we're going to continue to partner with many more. And thank you for trusting me and joining me. Many of you have joined me from YouTube. Like, thank you for trusting me. You know, that means everything to me. Thank you. And thank you guys for sharing your picks, man. That's what makes this channel so powerful is the people. It's the community. I'm just, I'm just the messenger, man. Where is the lemon? Cannabis is only weak because investors lost faith in them in the moment. Cannabis is strong. Well, no, cannabis companies are not strong. Cannabis companies' financials are weak. They're not making money. And if they were making money, then more companies would be successful. But the reality is they're not making money. It's a very expensive, labor intensive business. And to go from being illegal to legal has been extremely difficult. Agriflora is another one that I own that's just been a huge disappointment. I continue to lower my cost, but they're just not doing anything. So, I mean, what can I think about a stock that just sits at 5 cents? It's obviously junk until they prove me otherwise. All I can do with my cannabis stocks is lower my cost, guys. That's all I'm doing. Am I happy about it? No. Do I believe in it right now? No. I just want my money back. I'll take my money out of the cannabis stocks and I'll buy Visa, MasterCard, and American Express all day long. I will not keep that money in the cannabis sector. You know what I mean? That money will not stay in the cannabis sector. I promise you. That money will go to Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Disney, the biggest and the best companies in the world. Snapchat's been on fire, Twitter. These are all picks that I've been talking about for years. And I'll continue to. Netflix. These are the biggest, most powerful companies in the world. AMD. These are all companies that I've been talking about. Gold stocks, Kinross Gold, Nova Gold Resources. These are all stocks that I watch every single day. And if I see momentum, I'll take it. That's how I trade. I'm a momentum trader. Even within the academy, I'm 100% a momentum trader. I am a momentum trader, even within the academy. So I have a strategy of how I trade momentum. That's what I teach, and it works. And we have good success. I like IIPR. It's one of my cannabis picks, man. It's been a beast. Brent, we think the same, man. Sometimes I feel like we share the same brain. Think of the same things, bro. Yeah, man. I love IIPR. Been loving IIPR since the start. Why? Real estate. Real estate. Revenue generating and real estate. Yo, what's up, Dylan? Cheesecake Factory. You're a big fan of the Cheesecake Factory? Hey, thank you, Yug, man. I appreciate you, man. If you support me, then I support you, bro. Yeah, Tesla's been a monster, man. Absolute giant. Told you guys that 300 was going to 1,000. I had no idea it was going to 2,000. Wow. Unbelievable what Tesla's done. Trapestry? What's that? You just dropping picks, eh? Dropping picks, my man. Real, real. Real, real? What is it? You're speaking in code, bro. Real talk. Green Bull says mushrooms are easy to grow. Just keep them in the dark and feed them. Any politician can grow mushrooms. What? Gold is killing it. Silver had a monster week. COVID could hit them hard, but aren't coming anywhere. Bottom Beer Company. C. What, you think C's a good buy, Brent? I'm not a big fan of anything like with the water, the fishing stocks at all. Mining's like fishery stocks, I'm not a big fan. Like ship and all those stocks, like man, those things are painful, bro. But yeah, I'm watching C. C's been flying. Their chart looks pretty crazy. I can see what you're looking at, Brent. You're all about momentum too. I see what you're looking at. That chart does look very bullish. Dylan says Tapestry is parent company for Coach and other name brands. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dylan. Yeah, UAVS has been on a tear. Young Killer says, would you consider buying Bex? You're the best in the game, brother. I think Bex, when I brought it to you guys was the time to get it in, right? Do I think now it could continue to go up? Absolutely. But, you got to proceed with caution, right? Because it's already been up. So once something goes up, it's tough, right? Like I like to get in early, ride it up, and then watch it day by day. And then you watch the news and you just watch the momentum and you just buy the dips if you believe in it. And if you believe in it, yeah, it could continue to go up. Yo, Max, what's up, bro? Long time no see, man. How you doing, bro? Hope you're doing well, man. we're just talking stocks, and I got a new pick. It's a COVID-19 pick. I think it could do really well. And it's a company that's out of Europe, and it's around $9. And it was given to me by Cushion Trader, one of our members. And I think it could do really, really well. So Max Power says Afria is going to explode this week on earnings. You think so? I hope you're right, man. Another member thinks that they're going to explode as well. He thinks that they could report 190 million in revenue. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I hope he's right. I mean, the cannabis sector needs that. I'm still holding all my cannabis stocks. Life is good in Muskoka, bro. Good for you, man. I'm proud of you, bro. I'm happy for you, man. Haven't been on market stuff in a while. Hey, man, just enjoy your summer, bro. SE is the next Amazon. No, I was looking at SEA, Seabridge on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Is that the wrong symbol? Oh, SE. Sorry. $107 stock. Yeah, that chart looks crazy too. From $13 to $107. Wow. This stock is the next Amazon? Wow. Okay. Wow, you think they're going to make 200 million in revenue? 100 million in Canada and 80 million in Germany. Where do you get these numbers from? Is there some press release saying this? Brent says, yeah, I was talking about it at 67 2 months ago. You're a genius, Brent. And guys, if you guys want access to Brent's picks, you guys can join his team on the Trading Academy. He is on his way to becoming a chairman in the academy. He's killing it. And he's got a member already, Andreas, who joined this week and in one day brought in 2 members and is already trading for free. So killing it. Killing the game. Dylan says 100 million in Canada. Wow, I would be surprised. Max Power Pharmaceutical in Germany. They did a deal with the Canadian LP. They're going to supply 13,000 pharmacies in Germany. Thoughts on Bohr at 83 cents? Yeah, I think Bohr might be good. I think Bohr has a chance to go up. I think you're thinking smart. But, why is it 83 cents? Could it be risky? Just be careful, guys. Remember with these picks. But I like your idea of buying those dips, right? Buy the dips. Max Power says, I think Afria's revenue will be 235 million. Just my guess. Whoa. Maybe I should buy 1,000 shares. You guys are getting me thinking. When are they announcing their revenues? I got to look into this. I haven't even looked at too many cannabis stocks recently, just because they haven't been very hot. Afria rumor is the revenue is going to double this quarter. Where's this rumor coming from? Who's this rumor from? Where's this rumor coming from? I want to know. Brent says Bohr was great at 56. So Brent, you think that this is too high of an entry point for Bohr? July 29th at 9 a.m. Okay, 25, 26, 27. So Wednesday. All right, so maybe I'll buy some shares. Let me see. What's Afria at? Afria is at 686. You can see it has been climbing up, actually. Climbed up. It hit 265. What? It hit a low of 265 And it's now at 686. Interesting. Wow, I can't believe it hit 286. Unbelievable. Hey, Doug, what's up, man? Green Bull says Moda has great news just released recently. Yeah, you know what? I've been a big fan of Moda since day one. I've done some videos talking about them. Brent says, I have $7 calls for Afria in October. Oh, you're laughing, bro. You're laughing. Yeah, no, I like the way you're thinking, Max. You might be right. I might buy 1,000 shares on Monday. You guys are kind of selling me on this. Thinking about it. If you're right, it could run 30% or more. Could be a quick little flip. It could run right to $10. Dylan says, heads up, stay off the streets. My son bought his first car. Oh, damn. Congratulations on your son, man. Wow, good for him. How old is your son, Dylan? My son just turned 13. I'm thinking, man, in 3 years, he could be driving. It's crazy. Max Powers says, I'm holding Afria 4,500 shares at 650. Oh, so are you in profit now? I know you were down on that. Are you in profit now? So you got a good chunk, eh? Oh, your son's 18, eh? That's got to be exciting for him, man. That reminds me of my youth, man. When I got my first car, I was 19. So yeah, my first new car. That was pretty awesome feeling. I'm sure your son is really, really excited. Max Power says, haha, Zena is moving to $1. Is moving 1 million a month in vape 510 cartridges. Brent says, still like Arnet, Emon, both government contracts. Arnet and Emon, eh? $3.30. That's very affordable. And Emon, EMAN. Emon's affordable at 118 right now. Wow, that's some crazy volume, eh? 50 million shares at $1.18 for Emon. Wow. You think Zena's gonna go up, bro? I hope so, man. From your lips to God's ears, bro. I got 80,000 shares now. I just keep averaging down. My average cost now is like 63 cents. So I would love to see Zena go to $1, man. I would love to see them go to $1. I would love it. Dylan says, "Oh shit, my 1985 Dodge LeBaron I bought my parents for 500. Still the most comfortable car truck I ever owned. I've ever known." Dylan says I was 16 years old. Wow, you got it. You got it early, eh? My parents wouldn't even let me go near a car at 16. Lucas Lapierre says Zena hit $1, please. Hopefully by 2022 start, they can lower their debt. Man, bro, we gotta wait another 2 years. Shit. David Fitzpatrick says Zena has good product. Hey man, I hope Zena goes up, bro. That's all I can say. Max Power says, I hope so, man. I hear you. I have 21,000 shares at 81. I just been averaging down, bro. I have 80,000 shares now. Average of 63 cents. So, um, you know, we'll see what happens. Either I lose it all or it goes up and I make some money, or maybe I just break even. We'll see. Time will tell. Alfonso de la Pena says, Rich, do you have any stocks in uranium? I don't. Um, I don't know. A lot of people talk about it. I just think there's some hotter sectors. Dylan Fraser says, ooh, to me, $1 would be 5x. Oh, wow. So your average cost is 20 cents. Max Power says, I'd make $4,000 if Xena hits $1. Oh, buddy, if Xena hits $1, I'll make a lot of money. I'll make a lot of money, bro. I hope it's right, man, Lucas. I just think about how much dilution are they going to do in 2 years to keep paying down that debt? How much dilution is it going to take? How many billions of shares will they have? Oh, yeah. Okay, Winnipeg. Yeah, that would be way too cold to wait for the bus. I agree. Same like Toronto. But still, man, when I was 16, I was still taking the bus, bro, in Toronto. Max Power says, I hear 16 grand in and it's worth 1,500, bro. I don't even want to. I'm a Tesla into Zenabis right now. So I pray that they turn around, man. I'll leave that to my kids if I have to. You know what I mean? I'll leave that to my kids. Hey, man, I hope they make cash, man. From your lips to God's ears, brother. I'll just continue to lower my costs, man. Is Genius dead? Um, well, I mean, the shorters got a hold of it, right? So on the last pop I sold and now it's down. Would I consider buying it? Yes. Am I buying it right now? No, because the shorters want to take it to 150. So I want to see if they can do that. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But is it dead? No, it's clearly not dead. It has no debt. It's got money in the bank. It's got star power. It's done extremely well. Don't forget that this came from a penny stock to, $2 and above that. And it's just recently starting to come down because it's being attacked by shorters because they keep saying that they don't have any revenue. So until they have revenue, I don't believe that they're going to, reach the utmost of potential. So we need to see the revenue to see the next move in Genius. And hopefully on the last move up, you guys sold because I did. How long till oil returns to original prices? Well, I think it's going to be in stages. Oil's already moved back to 40 plus. So it's already come back a lot. It has to go to 50 to $60. So it's almost there. I think by the end of the year, I think we'll see it there. All right, guys. I think we've been live for quite some time. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. If you guys want access to my new secret pick, just email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. If you would like to join the Trading Academy, join members like Brent who are winning both in trading and in building and generating residual income. Join members like myself that are generating residual income. If you'd like to join Amanda in the Pipettes group, which is a group just for women traders, which is growing very quickly, and we're having tons of success. Amanda's been a huge success story who's turned $500 into over 105,000 US. If you'd like to learn how to do that and join the Trading Academy, email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. We'll position you with the right people so you can have phenomenal success. We have a lot of success stories within our academy. We'll continue to, and I would love to have you guys be my partner and join the team so that we can continue to grow and evolve and find more talented superstar traders. And that's the goal. And more talented superstar builders that want to build a business, a trading academy. You too can have your own trading academy just like me, and you can make residual income just like I am. So, and just like Brent and other members within the academy. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching, you want access to my pick, just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. Want access to my picks, go to richtvlive.com. All of it is there, absolutely free. Go to Rich's Picks. All my picks are there. We're hitting at 96%. 96% winning percentage. Pretty phenomenal. Let's continue this winning way. And thank you guys for all your picks. Thank you guys for being involved. Thank you guys for being in the chat. Thank you guys for everything. Without you guys, none of this is possible. Enjoy your weekend. I love you guys. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. We've been doing it for 3 years, and we're going to continue to do it. And I'm out. Peace. Wow, Max. RNXA? NMAE. Yeah, you called that pick, bro. I remember that. Good call there, man. NMAE. I don't know. They're not pulling up for me. Weird. It's not pulling up for me. Yes, FSD is not my favorite company either. All right, my friend. Thank you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the sunshine. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace.